What's up, guys, and welcome back to So Many Parks in So Little Time, or as I like to call it, SMP Films. Wait a minute, I'm just being told that SMP Films is already taken. I'll let you know what I come up with next week. So today we are at King's Dominion in Doswell, Virginia. This is home to some truly incredible coasters. And newest of all is Twisted Timbers, RMC's one of their latest creations, where they take a hurler and turn it into a good coaster. So yeah, we're going to check it out. We got ERT on it this morning. So come with us. Let's ride Twisted Timbers. Oh yeah, and Apple's Zapple too.
Yeah, I know. I'm at 498. Like, oh, yeah. I have. Oh, okay. And I grew up in San Diego, so for me, I want to go to California. Understand.
So of course the very first ride of the day is at the very back of the park, so we're all getting our morning exercise routine here. Luckily I've got caffeine in me already, so it's not too bad.
Luckily I wore my tennis shoes.
Yeah. It's gonna be a hot one though.
I am so spoiled. I do not like waiting in line. Yeah, but the nice thing about waiting in line during PRT is you're in line with a bunch of guys.
Oh, this will be my first time going on a barrel roll drop. Do a barrel roll!
It's got a lot of G-force. I mean, it's got a lot of airtime. Sweet.
How much does it cost to park in this spot?
Oh, they're just... It's like, I don't care if it's $10 a roll.
So if you need an example of an RMC done right, wow, this is one of them. Absolutely 100% A-plus coaster. Okay, so we are on our way to Intimidator 305. Last time I left this park thinking that that was my #1 favorite coaster. Beats all coasters, Millennium Force, Fury 325. Then again, it has been 5 years since I've ridden it, so gonna see how it holds up this time around. Who knows, maybe it might not be #1 anymore. Maybe it will. Oh yeah, and it's these guys' first time as well.
500th ride.
500th coaster for Kevin.
And I'm still scared.
All right, we're gonna see if Jackie survives. We're going to see if it's my new #1. I mean, it's definitely going to be your 500th. So, let's do it!
Gentlemen, start your engine! Welcome back, riders. How was the ride?
way to Zapple. When the name was changed, I thought that it was the stupidest decision ever made, and I hated the name. I hated it so much that it turned around, and now I absolutely love the name. So now we're going to go on Zapple because it is the coaster with the best name ever. And there's no arguing with me on that. Zapple, new number 1. Okay, no it's not, but you still have a great name.
And no one will want to be here beside you and
So we just rode Racer 75, then the heavens opened up halfway through the ride. So we got a drive, half ride, and then I think the extra water helped our train pull off the wind for today. Oh dude, I'm just glad that it's not 95 degrees anymore. This is actually quite nice. By the way, I'm sort of corralled here with a bunch of Acers as well, so. Okay, so we made it to the theater, and we just made it before this. Barely. Yes, I rode the kiddie coaster. Yes, a child is technically required to ride. Yes, I am sad and pathetic. So that was King's Dominion, and what can I say? Twisted Timbers is awesome, Intimidator 305 is awesome, Dominator is awesome, Volcano was closed, but Zapple is awesome. Overall, this is just a very well-rounded park. They got some great scenery, the Eiffel Tower is wonderful, and Ace put on another hell of an event. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.